Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do makeup look this one. I think it's called Douyin makeup, I guess. So let's see how it's going. So if you don't know me, my name is Al. Nice to meet you guys. This video I kinda a little bit excited because I'm going to speaking English and Thai together. Okay, let's start doing my makeup. So the first thing we're gonna use All About Grow Tone Up Cream. This product is from Korean, but it's actually doing really good. It's not really bright, like bright, but it's like just tone up one shade. So let's see how it's go. After I put tone up cream, I'm gonna use concealer. I use concealer from Yinsa. I'm gonna apply a concealer on my problem spot. I'm gonna use a Red Beauty contour to contour my face and my nose. I'm gonna do like this one and I think it's this one. I put too much, but it's okay, whatever. I used a sponge to blend the contour. Let gently pat the sponge on the face, don't put too hard. After doing my contour, I'm gonna use one size. This brand is actually really good. So I'm gonna use this color to do my blush. I'm gonna use my finger to blend it. I'm gonna tap in between here. This color is really pretty. This is my color. For the eyebrow, I use actually pen. It's like, what's it, light brown color. So we apply a little bit here and then we use it to blend together. Next, we're gonna do eyeshadow. So, color we're gonna use today, we're gonna use from Polish one size, this one. I'm gonna apply a light pink shade all over my upper eyelid and on my lower eyelid. And we blend on the bottom. And then I use brow color. This brow color to here. And then I'm gonna make a dolly eye with my eyebrow pen because it's going really good with making line. Oh shit. It's okay, it's fine. I have to be careful. Bottom eye. Like I used it to blend it. So we're gonna use this to make inliner right here on the bottom. See? I'm gonna make eyeliner with this pen. I'm gonna use Ashley eyeliner. So you guys can see it's look more color. Okay, here we go. As you can see, the glitter one, I'm gonna use this glitter to apply on my dolly eye. Huh? Like this. And after that, I'm gonna do fake eyelashes. So I'm gonna do Fruit Gala is the glue. So it's really easy to use. You just this one is a glue and this one is a setting. So it's really easy. So you just blush this glue on your eyelashes like a mascara, and then you apply a fake eyelashes. So it's really easy to use. After we do a fake eyelash, I'm gonna apply mascara on the bottom. This one. On my face. When I do contour, I usually go on gray color more than like brown. I usually apply contour, follow the forehead of my nose, and then I blend the circle on the tip of the nose to add more dimension to the face. After that, I'm gonna use a bright powder. I use with brush to apply area that need brightening. Personally, I like to put in under my eye and on the tip of my nose. I'm gonna use blush powder. I pick this color. So we're gonna apply a highlighter on this one, like here on my nose, on my eyes. This is really personal. I really love to apply fake dot next to my eye here. Here we go. And then lipstick, last step. Kylie lipstick. And we're gonna blend it. I'm gonna use a lip liner to make it bigger here. I got this tulip from Temu app, but it's actually really good color. So I'm gonna do here. Let's see a finished look today. See how it looks. I just changed my shirt and blushed my hair a little bit. So look at how, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I upset. This look is bomb. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe me. If you have any idea, please comment down below and let me know if you guys like it or not. See you next time. Bye.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females need you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. Cause baby girl, you are so